everyone! Are you interested in finding out if Python is appropriate for machine learning? The Python programming language best fits machine learning due to its independent platform and its popularity in the programming community. We will discuss how to use Python for machine learning in the following steps. Step 1. Build up your algorithm knowledge slowly and start by getting comfortable with the platform. And step 2. Understand the benefits and limitations of various algorithms and start with the steps of your machine learning project. And step 3. You can be an inexperienced Python programmer but focus on function calls and assignments. This will get you most of the way. And the step 4. Keep checking on loading data, evaluate some algorithms and make some predictions. Now machine learning has become easy with the help of Python. Here are a few benefits of using Python in machine learning. Independence across platform. Unlike other programming languages, Python is preferred by developers because it can run on a variety of platforms without the need for modification. And the number 2 is consistency. The Python programming language is the event for most software developers looking for consistency in their work. And number 3, simplicity. Compared to other programming languages, the Python language simplicity makes it simple for beginners to learn and master it rapidly. Next, we will discuss about the most used machine learning algorithms in Python. Number 1, linear regression. And number 2, decision tree. And number 3, logistic regression. And number 4, support vector machines. And number 5, boosting classifier. If this content interests you, follow FacePrep.